Good morning. My name is Monique and I am the Moon Mama. How are you doing today? Today is Wednesday, and Wednesday is a day that is governed by Mercury. And Mercury is currently in Pisces. And Pisces is where we come together to have this collective experience. And how that's showing up in our lives is this collective form that's going on politically. Pisces is where everything comes. So it's like this sort of political experience. That we're all a part of, but it's also something that's going on in the world. It's not just America. It's this new shift towards uh, whatever it is. I don't know. I mean, I'm not paying that much attention to it because I'm also clear that there's an awakening going on. I'm a part of the experience where there are millions of people who are coming out of that old paradigm and that old way of being. I just saw a video with Joaquin Phoenix talking about being a part of the problem that has oppressed people of color in the film industry. There are people, I had a client, the other day, been having several clients who are white women or white men who are really interested in tackling their own, how that experience or that belief or that practices around white supremacy has functioned in their lives and in their families, and so we are all shifting. And so this Mercury and Pisces is the opportunity. And let me say this: Mercury is in its retrograde shadow, so we are moving through this opportunity to see what is getting your attention now. See what collective things are being revealed in your consciousness now, and how you are participating. What is your your personal, what are the personal ways you contribute to the collective experience, right? Through belief, practice, through through promoting your way of being, right? Like whatever you believe and feel is what you are actually emitting in the field. And then that becomes something you experience. And so Pisces, like I said, is our collective field. Mercury there is our mind. So it's like we're all in this collective experience of an unraveling, really, of the old ways of being. That's what's happening. One of the things that I'm so aware of is that, I'm there's a part of me that's tickled by some of this stuff because I've been paying attention to this since I was a child. So that's why this is not foreign to me. I've been watching this since I was a child, and to see the things that President Trump does are unbelievable in ways. Like this man is he is the joker. He is the trickster. That's the thing about Trump. He is the trickster, and you you it's stunning to watch, right? And so it makes everyone angry, and it makes everyone, feel lied to and all of that, but really it's just trickster energy. And the trickster energy is something, it's very mercurial, it's fast, it changes pace, it's dishonest, it's a negotiator, it says one thing and means another, all of that sort of stuff. And that's what we're all experiencing in this collective Mercury retrograde that's coming in Pisces. It's like, how can you really access, oh gosh, it's not even about truth. It's like the Piscean energy. You know what? I'm going to have to sit with it. I'm not clear. I'm not clear about it because it's so multi-layered and multifaceted, and it's a very mystical energy if we are willing to do our internal work around it, to see ourselves. If we're willing to see ourselves in it and to see how we're contributing to it, it's a very powerful time to heal and transform. And so the beauty of this opportunity is to step back, to refrain from judgment, and to ask, what is mine here to do? What is my collective contribution here? And if you can do that with using rituals or prayer or crystals or, water work or just anything that would really help you get present to yourself in this collective experience, the story that you tell, it's a very transformative time to be doing this work. We will get back a lot of our energy and power if we can give ourselves permission to see ourselves more clearly in this. All right. If you are interested, we did the class on Monday evening on death, dying, and transformation. It's available. It's recorded. It's $8, and you can do the work there and listen to the course and just be with your experience and see what comes out of it for you. It's just worth having that conversation as we're transforming, because we're actually kind of going through a bit of a collective death. The way we have existed before now is going away, and so how can you embody that for yourself? If you're interested in getting Mercury Retrograde readings, they are $77. I can send you the link so that you can understand how to use this Mercury Retrograde energy in your life. Like what house is it moving through for you? What are the rituals and tools and things that you need in order to be able to transform the energy so that you can pick up a new energy, a new shift, a new way of being, and let go of the old things. Things come to die in Pisces. That's another thing. If Mercury's in Pisces, things come to die in Pisces. Things come to end in Pisces. So we are ending an era. We truly are. And this is a time for us to really focus on what we're being, what needs to go, what needs to come. And while Mercury is going to be retrograde in Pisces, we can put some shit down for real. Like literally we're going to put some things to sleep, okay? So I would love to support you. I can't think if there's anything else I want to share right now, but I just want to give thanks for all of you who have been so supportive and for the work that we're all doing together. And for those of you who are joined 13 Moons, that's a really incredible way to transform the energy by following the moon on a daily basis and understanding how to use it for yourself. With that, I will say peace and blessings. I'm the Moon Mama. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.